Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Crypto Investment Splash. In today's video I have a great news for you. I want to show you how you can get 100 TRX instantly into your wallet, your Faucet Pay wallet. 100 TRX instantly into your Faucet Pay wallet immediately on this website. And this is what has happened. This is the latest development of this website, because I have done previous videos about this website where I withdraw to 20 TRX, 10 TRX, 1, 2 different kind of amount of TRX. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. But the good news about this website is that they are launching a new referral system. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say, guys. You can get over 100 TRX. You can get up to 1000 TRX on this website. So how are we going to take hold of this advantage? There's a the latest update on this website, claimtrx.com. You can go and watch my video about my live 20 TRX withdrawal. You can use that video to show people how you can earn on this website. Just paste the video on your Facebook groups, all this kind of website. So they will come to this website, and use your referral link. And what do they have to say about this referral link over here? They say, exciting news, first time our faucets launch a new referral system. Maximum earning on this on claimtrx.com. Invite friends and get 0.1 TRX instant rewards plus 10% lifetime commission. Skyrocket earnings potential. Start inviting. So all you have to do, if you want to get like 1000 TRX up to right now, what you have to do is that you have to invite like 10,000 people to use your referral link. I've already done the calculation. Use 0.1 times 10,000 people, so you get your free 1000 TRX instantly into your Faucet Pay wallet. I have made a lot of withdrawal from this website, and it is very genuine. I've made a lot of video about this website, guys. All the tutorial about this website. If you want to learn about this website, go and check my videos about this website, guys, and you will have the opportunity to earn unlimited TRX on this website. This is a very genuine way of getting your first 100 TRX, your first 1000 TRX online. So thank you for watching, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, check out my channel, Crypto Investment Splash. I have so many videos for you about any of those free cryptocurrency, and you invest it in your wallet so that when the price increases, you know you'll be a massive profit, because we don't know what might happen tomorrow. So let's just keep up the hard work, guys. So please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, and use my referral link in the description below to sign up on this website. Thank you. One love, guys. And I will see you next time on this video. Thank you.